Hey everybody, Sonya Paz with Sonya Sweet and Spicy Kitchen, and I am here today to bring you a super quick and easy, most flavorful recipe out there. Now, I always listen to my customers and they're always telling me different and exciting ways that they've used Sonya Sweet and Spicy Jalapeños on a variety of different dishes, whether it's entrees, appetizers, or quick little bites like this. So one of my customers, Diana, had sent me a photo that they had smoked some salmon and put it on crackers with goat cheese. So I've gone ahead and prepared it today. My husband, Mark, helped me out by doing some smoking of some salmon on the grill. It turned out fabulous. And how we end up doing the salmon preparation is we just put maybe just like a little bit of paprika, smoked paprika, and then we add just a little blends like the Trader Joe 21 Season Salute, or maybe even Mrs. Dash, the lemon flavor, and that always makes the salmon turn out really, really good. The way he prepared it, it's got a nice smoky flavor to it, and that paired up with this goat cheese is going to be amazing. So many thanks to Diana for letting me know how she went ahead and prepared this. She basically has gotten her cracker. We've got our goat cheese with a little bit of goat cheese on top of it, crumbled up. And I'm gonna go ahead and try this. We're gonna put that right on our cracker, spread that over. And then don't forget your Sonya's Sweet and Spicy, Sweet Candied Pickle Jalapeños, and add those generously on here, just like this. And I'm gonna get a little bit of the fish. Now the great thing about this smoked salmon is that this can be chilled and eaten cold, and it's still really fabulous. In fact, the oils that kind of come out of it help kind of give it an additional extra flavor the day after. So salmon is definitely something that is a perfect leftover for this type of thing. So, all right, so I've got my cracker, I've got my Sonya Sweet and Spicy, and my goat cheese on here. We're gonna give this a try. You're right, Diana. Perfect blend. You've got the smoothness of the goat cheese. You've got the nice little warm spike of the Sonya Sweet and Spicy and that smoky flavor of the salmon. And all three together, everybody, it is doing a happy dance on your taste buds. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be one of my new favorite things. You might have seen one of my first recipes that I've done here on my channel, which is the bed of cream cheese, chopped up Sonya Sweet and Spicy, and served with crackers, which is really easy. But with this amazing setup with the goat cheese, the smoked salmon, and the Sonya Sweet and Spicy, we are talking bravissimo. So good. So easy, a true winner, and a giant thumbs up. Well, you know, here on Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen, you know that we're always chopping and slicing, dicing and cooking, roasting and toasting. If you are not a current subscriber, please click the bar down below, hit the bell so that you can get notified of when I have new and exciting videos coming out. If you are interested in purchasing Sonya Sweet and Spicy, you can always go to sonyasweetspicy.com. And we always like to feature different recipes and things, not only on the website or through our YouTube channel here, but we also are on Facebook and on Instagram. Check us out on Twitter and TikTok. And that is it today, everyone. Super fast, super yummy, and super flavorful. Awesome appetizers. This is something that takes a few minutes. In fact, you can always smoke or grill up some salmon ahead of time. Just keep it in the refrigerator and it's ready to go when you've got people coming over. So that is a wrap today, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of the week and I will talk with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.